In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a Docusign transaction room. Whether you're organizing a team project or working on a real estate transaction, inviting the right people to collaborate in Docusign is an essential step in ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. To begin, ensure you're at the official Docusign website. Docusign is a leader in electronic signature technology and smart agreement management worldwide. The top navigation bar will include a login button, and you'll want to click on that to access your account. Ensure you have your credentials at hand to avoid any delays. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This is your central hub for managing documents, agreements, and users. Here you'll see a variety of options available to you, but your focus should be on the Invite Your Team option. This intuitive feature is designed to simplify the process of bringing others into your workspace. Next, you'll need to provide the necessary information for the invitee. Click on the full name field and enter the individual's full name. Ensure that the spelling is correct to prevent any confusion or issues with the invitation. Then proceed by clicking on the email field. Enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. Double check that the address is current and properly formatted, as the invitation will be sent directly to this contact. Once you've filled out the name and email information, it's time to make it official by clicking on the invite button. This final step sends the invitation straight to the recipient's email inbox, where they'll be able to accept the invitation and join your Docusign transaction room. Remember, clear communication with your invitee can be helpful. Let them know to expect the invitation and explain the steps they need to follow upon receiving it. This advance notice can reduce confusion and enhance collaboration as they become part of the transaction room. In conclusion, inviting someone to a Docusign transaction room is straightforward when you know where to navigate. These steps ensure that you can effectively add necessary team members or clients to your virtual space, promoting seamless collaboration and document management. With these instructions, you're ready to extend those invitations and enhance your Docusign experience. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful for your next project.